Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Dr. Popular Kosi from Limpopo, Raskukuna, Malagale. Kafas Ramrituale, Wale Judge.
Okay, my brother, I came here today, man.
You go over Shoko Peterson, no Rishi. 2 goals still. You post it out, but I want it out.
So, okay, the blame to Peterson.
Yeah, Peterson. You must take the blame. Yeah, again,
Sure.
But then the performance, Kaizer Chiefs has no direction.
Yeah.
The performance was very, very poor.
Was poor,
like, to be honest.
Yeah.
They must change the technical team.
So, my brother, okay, so the solution is changing the technical team for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah. They must change the technical team.
So, are you unhappy with the coaches and everyone?
I'm unhappy with them.
At the helm.
No, like I was changing the management from the top.
From the top?
Yeah, from the top.
From top?
Yeah, from Taung.
From Taung.
This Taung sounds like they're counting us. Yeah, because like they're running these teams like a family business.
Yeah.
They're hitting us at the ground.
Yeah.
What can we do?
Yeah. I'm so sorry, my brother. Can I just ask who was the man of the match today?
And Tapelo Maseko from Sundowns.
Ooh,
that boy.
Come on, Lord.
Hey, first la. First la, we win a step.
Yeah. Like Tapelo Maseko.
Yeah, Tapelo Maseko from Sundowns.
That was your guy, my brother.
Yeah, that was my
Okay, so going forward, what would you like to see from Lukosi this season?
At least one trophy. M10-8 is very, very simple.
Yeah.
If they can beat Cape Town City, we got a chance.
You have a chance.
Yeah, just M10-8 will be fine.
Oh, M10-8 is
because it's shortcutting.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, my brother, is there any words of encouragement? My brother?
To all the Kosi fans, Skapelo Moya. Retro win one day.
Yeah.
So like you'll be fine.
You'll be fine one day.
Yeah, forever Kaizer Chiefs.
Forever Kaizer Chiefs.
Thank you.